your composure. Most of the time, their characteristics, they easily get angry. So it's important na we go to the opposite spirit. What is that? Pag galit yung isa, lang, just keep silent, stay calm, maging mahinahon, para we can exercise yung tinatawag na ano ba ang tamang gawin tungkol dito. Choose to respond without yelling. If we want to resolve, kailangan nating maging maayos po, maging mahinahon po tayo. So we should keep our composure. So keep your composure. Alam ko po, madali itong sabihin, pero in a scenario, especially sa bahay, pag may heated na argument and all that, always remember, nothing is impossible. So if you desire to keep your composure, then you'll be able to keep that. Magiging mahinahon ka.
Kung hindi tayo magiging kalmado at hindi tayo we will not be the opposite spirit, then walang katapusan ng magiging sigawan yan at saka usapan. We declare na, one of you, yung hindi ang mainit ang ulo ay magiging kalmado para maging maayos ang inyong pag-uusap.